The Legend Beast Mode Demonstration. Beast Mode enables you to detect deeper targets that are not detectable by the other modes of the device, such as Park or Field. We will now make a small demo for you. We're in Park Mode M1. Recovery speed at 5. Volume is at 6. And sensitivity is max. We have 4 targets buried, marked with X's. As you can see, these targets are not detected by the Legend in the Park mode. We will now check the same targets in the Field mode at the same settings in M2. As you can see, we get no signal for any of the targets in the Field mode as well. Let's now check the same targets in Beast mode. Recovery speed 3, which will be the default setting, all metal discrimination pattern, and we prefer to set the audio gain to 3. It's very important to ground balance before starting to use the Beast mode. Now let's check the same targets in this mode. As you can see, all the targets are now detected by the Legend. However, as they are buried at fringe depths, we cannot get a proper ID which is expected. In this video, we will show when you should perform a second ground balance. We perform our first ground balance. However, we come across a mineralized hot rock that causes the detector to false. So now we need to do a second ground balance to eliminate these rocks in the field. We do the second ground balance over the rock. As you can see, the detector now doesn't emit a signal over the rock. Second ground balance should only be used to eliminate hot rocks, red bricks, and other ground changes in the surrounding environment. With the second ground balance, depending on the properties of the hot rock or brick, in some cases, complete silence can be achieved over these falsing targets. In other cases, a broken signal may be heard. Broken sounds indicate that the detected target is a hot rock. In this video, we will show you how to use the iron rejection feature. We first ground balance. There's a nail buried underground, marked with X. The Legend gives a non-ferrous tone for the nail. So, we now use the IR setting to change the tone. IR is adjustable between 0 and 5. We set it at 2. Now, we can get a lower ferrous tone for the same nail. Different than the non-ferrous tone as you can see in the video.